How to edit your profile on Bigcommerce, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit your profile on Bigcommerce, easy and quick. First open your browser and then click my profile, and here you will find edit profile. Click on it, and as you see here you can manage first name and last name, and that's it. Just manage it, and after that click save, and you can change your preferred language, and that's it. Just save it, and now just go back. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.